Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is set. Set is a collection type that stores unique elements. Set is a collection of similar type of elements. Size can increase or decrease based on runtime requirement. Set will not maintain insertion order. Duplicate values are not allowed in the set. In Salesforce, we have predefined Apex class set to support the collections. Set elements can be of any data type, primitive types, collections, as objects, user-defined types, and built-in Apex types. Common operations on sets: declaring and initializing a set. We can declare and initialize a set by specifying the data type it will hold. Adding elements to a set. Elements can be added using the add method or by using the set initializer syntax. Removing elements from a set. Elements can be removed using the remove method. Size of the set. You can get the number of elements in the set using a size method. Clearing a set. All elements can be removed from the set using the clear method. Checking membership. You can check if an element exists in the set using the contains method. Syntax: set, data type, and the name of that set. Example: set of string. Here I am taking names. We can set accounts. So it is of S object type. So let's see an example in our Salesforce org. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. At the right side, we need to click on this gear icon, setup. Just right click and click in a new tab, this developer console. So here we are seeing debug. Click on this. Open execute anonymous window. It will open like this. We can scroll here and there and we can resize this as well. So here we are going to see how to declare and initialize a set of integers. So set integer is a data type, and here we are taking any name. We are free to take any name. Here I am taking int set, new keyword set of integers, and here is a bracket, then after semicolon. So by writing this line, what it is going to create in our memory. So let's see. This line is for only printing system.debug. Result is going to print as it is, then plus symbol is needed, and the variable name. So int set I am giving here. Execute highlighted. Click on debug only. So by this line we are getting the result. In the curly braces nothing is there, that is empty. Again coming to our debug. So now we are going to see how to add elements to the set. So int set this name dot add, and in the bracket we are providing the values. So 10, then I am providing 20, then 30, and it is going to store at the index position. So here it will be at 0th position, here it will be at first position, and here it will be like second position. So let's see what is we are getting the result. Execute highlighted, debug only. So in the result we are getting the values in the curly braces 10, 20 and 30 as we had declared. So next we are going to see add duplicate element. This will not be added to the set because set is not holding any duplicate values. So int set dot add. I am going to enter 20 again. So let's see, is it storing the 20 value again. So execute highlighted, click debug only. So it is not adding the 20th value. As the previous value we are getting 0th position 10, first 20 and next 30 on the second position. So duplicate values are not allowed here. Next we are going to see remove an element from the set. So int set remove 20 value we are providing. So it is going to remove the element 20. So again I am going to print debug only. So it's removed the 20 value, 10 and 30 we are seeing. Next we are going to see check the size of the set. So integer, here I am taking size variable int size, and in this int set we have two values 10 and 30. It is going to return 2 and we need to print here size. Click execute. So now we are getting 2. So next we are going to see add elements using initializer syntax. So here we are going to take string values. So set of string, this name we can take any name. So new keyword set of string, and in the curly braces in the single quotes we have to provide the values. So apple, then comma, banana, cherry, or any value we can take over here. Print this value we are going to use system.debug result. It is going to print as it is, and here I am providing the variable name str set. So let's execute debug only. So we are seeing the values in the curly braces apple, banana and cherry. What the value from there we are providing, the same thing we are getting over here. So next we are going to see access elements. Sets do not support direct access by index, but you can iterate. So for string fruit str set we are taking this value here, and system.debug fruit we are going to print. So here this line I am commenting. For system debug we are getting the output. So let's see what we are seeing in the output. Debug only. So we are seeing the value in this pattern apple, banana and cherry. So next we are going to see check if the set contains a specific element. So it is going to give us the output like true or false. So for this we have to take the boolean, and here we are going to take a variable name. So now I am taking contains apple, and I am searching for the apple if this set contains apple or not. Also I am commenting this. I need to uncomment this and I have to print the contains apple. So it is going to give the result like true or false. So this value is containing, so it is returning the result as true. So execute. So we are getting the true value. So next we are going to see clear all elements from the set. So for this we have to provide the set name, then clear method. Again I need to print this set, execute. So all the values are cleared. So again check if the set is empty or not. Uh, Now again it is going to return the value like true or false. If this set is empty, it is returning us true, otherwise false. So in this condition it is going to return us true because this str set is cleared and it is not holding any value. So boolean is empty, we are creating a variable, and str set is empty method we are using to, so we need to print the is empty and we have to execute. So it is giving the output true as it is not holding any value. So like this we are dealing with set collection. Thank you.